Hi mga lagan kong habibi, Lai Shuoy. In today's video, I'll be traveling aboard with Delta Airlines. I'm filled with excitement talaga at Hartsfield Jackson Atlanta International Airport diri sa Georgia. Kay we are on our way to JFK kung asa ang atong final destination. Just landed here in JFK, New York City, the city that never sleeps. After I collected my luggage, wa na ko nagpalangan-langan pa, I took a yellow taxi straight to Manhattan. Welcome to New York City mga laagan kong habibi! I stayed in Regus City Apartments, the original Manhattan Hotel. Nindut kaayo na hotel, good value for money, and I wasn't expecting much at all po. Mga laagan, I made a reservation for this hotel through booking.com. Bisan ulan, gawa sa ta. In terms of the location sa akong hotel, this was also excellent, not far from Rockefeller Center o sa legendary Radio City Music Hall. Plus, from the Times Square, 3-minute walk lang kung asa ang akong tuyo kung anong na ako diri sa New York City. Mga laagan, heavy kaayo ang rain. Balik sa ta sa hotel kay naapoy nagulat na ako. Mga laagan kong habibi, that's Ma'am Alma, ang akong mother dear diri sa New York City. Our friendship knows no distance, Jude. Forever and always, bisan rain or shine. Basta, always better together.
Yay! Nakita na po balik!
Before we reach our next destination, mga laagan kong habibi, I would like to formally introduce myself. My name is Jayan Carlo. Arab Pinoy kasi Arabo ang aking papa and Pinay naman ang aking mama from the beautiful country of the Philippines. Pero pinalaking magalang at may takot sa Diyos ng aking nanay tutay at tatay dudong na ngayon ay nasa langit na. Pero number 1 fan ko yon. Basta, even though you may be up in heaven, you will forever hold a place in my heart. Mga laagan kong habibi, this is obviously a must-see if you are visiting New York City. Times Square became one of the most important places in New York City. One of the most busiest area pod ni, also probably the most crowded tourist spot. Makita diri halos ang tanang major restaurants, hotels, stores, and the best theater district in the world. Times Square is home to some of the world's largest billboards and signs. Diri pud makita ang Crystal Ball o ang ball drop na ilang gitawag na mahitabo every December 31st from the top of one Times Square announcing the new year. Very safe kaayo ang place. Times Square has its own police station. Dili mabalaka kung naay magmatet. To maintain the cleanliness, naapod street cleaning company para limpyo ang palibot. Og naay tourist office that has all the information about the city. Pwede kaayo magpa-get photo or video on billboard in Times Square. Mapa-birthday pa na, marriage proposal, anniversary, or any simple declaration of love. So much more to explore in New York, and that was New York Times Square. Thank you for watching! Og don't forget to brush your teeth 3 times a day para hindi mapachiyan. At huwag kalimutan mag-workout and squat pag may time para bubble bath ang Luve. That's all for today. I love you all. Thank you for watching mga laagan kong ping-ping ang bugan.